Hey, do you wish that you could be more organized, more productive, and less overwhelmed? Do you wish you could free up mental space? If so, you need to use a task manager. But there's a ton of task managers out there, so it can be tricky to figure out which one is right for you. Now, if we haven't met yet, my name is Peter Uckes, and I teach people how to properly use task managers. I do that right here on my YouTube channel. Maybe you've seen some of my other videos, my how-to videos. I also do that through paid courses. I now have more than 1,000 students who have gone through my paid courses on how to correctly set up and use a task manager. But again, you may not be sure yet which task manager is right for you. So I created a free mini course. It's really short and efficient that you can take right now in one sitting to figure out which task manager is right for you. You can find the mini course in the description below the video, so just head over there, go through the course, and you'll know which task manager is the right one for you. Let's get started.